Creating a chapter book on Imagine Forest is quick and easy. First, log into your account, and click the right link in the main navigation. Then, click the Create New Story button. Select the chapter book option, and click the Create button. You first need to create a book cover for your chapter book. You can select from various images, backgrounds, and stickers to create your cover. To save time, I'll just use this template that has already been created. Once you are done, click the Next button. Now you can start writing your actual story. You can click on the page to add your own text, as well as images on the page. You can also add more chapters by clicking the Add Chapter button. Continue writing each of your chapters. You can move between chapters, and rearrange them in a different order. You can also edit previous chapters, or delete them. If you need some inspiration, click the Inspire tab for some story ideas. Once you're done writing your chapter book, you can click the Next button. On this final step, enter your book's title, select the relevant book type, and select who can read your chapter book. Finally, click the Publish Book button to publish your book to the library. Now you can visit the library page to view your published book. From this page, you can also edit, delete, or download a PDF of your book. And that's how you create a chapter book on Imagine Forest. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more cool videos. See you soon.